Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain why was Germany so effective explained. Pause and take notes on key causes like doctrine, logistics, and industry. We will unpack leadership styles, planning systems, and technological adoption that enabled rapid maneuvers and sustained campaigns. Expect concise examples of doctrine, production priorities, and command culture. I aim to make complex interactions clear and practical for learning, so you can compare systems quickly and remember the essential links between policy and performance. Germany's doctrine fused mechanized units, close air support, and decisive maneuvers into a coherent system that favored tempo over attrition. Leaders trained officers to think independently within a clear mission intent, allowing fast adaptation in chaotic battles. Staff planning focused on logistics, timing, and synchronized attacks to maintain momentum. Together, doctrine and leadership created a multiplier effect that turned limited resources into powerful operational advantage during rapid campaigns across industrial policy directed factory output toward priority weapon systems and munitions while standardizing parts to speed repairs and maintenance. Logistics planners synchronized rail and motor transport to keep frontline units supplied during advances and used forward depots to shorten resupply lines. This practical focus on sustainment allowed operational reach beyond initial breakthroughs, letting forces exploit gains without immediate collapse from supply shortfalls, which is often overlooked in simple battlefield narratives.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.